All right, I'm gonna try my hand at a bit more paintless dent repair. So I've got this nasty one here. I've done some dent repair. I've done a pretty good job of the one, I can't even see it now. I did a good job with the paintless dent removal kit, pulling some paint out. That's not a scratch, is it? No, all good. But this one here, we're not gonna be able to do that, I don't think, because it's just a bit too deep and it's sort of near the corner. So it's sort of a stronger bit of steel there, and because there's a bit of a chip, I'm worried it's gonna look, it's only tiny, if I can focus, but I'm worried it's going to like pull the paint off if I do use that paintless dent repair kit. So what I've decided to do, I'm going to take the trim off. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get back in there. I know there's a bit of reinforced bit in the middle, so I wasn't able to do it for this one, because when I had the trim piece off, I checked for that one and I couldn't do it because of the reinforcing there. But given it's a bit higher on this one, I might be able to, if I take this trim bit off, I reckon I'll be able to get in there and push it out from the inside. So we'll give that a crack. And, I'm gonna have the door open probably for a couple of hours. Before my battery runs flat, I'll take the battery out. Just disconnect the battery, and then I don't have to worry about having a flat battery when I come back to drive my car tomorrow. Now, just a reminder, if you do disconnect the battery, just, you've got a stock radio, make sure you got the radio code. You can get it from Ford, but I think last time I went years and years ago, they tried to charge me like 15 bucks to get the code, but I've done it so many times now, I know my code off by heart, so all good. Pretty easy to take these trims off. Got to undo a screw in there, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you just pop it up and pull it out, and I'll show you anyway, but yeah, let's go into it. So I just have to take this trim piece off. Unfortunately, mine's broken now. I don't know when that happened. That just happened in the sun, or that's annoying. My interior is pretty much perfect. Just that, I think there's a crack there. One of the other ones might have a crack, but yeah, they've probably all got a crack. So if you go to the wreckage, you'll probably find the same thing. Either that or someone's been in here some stage and cracked it. Wasn't me. Promise it wasn't me. Why the hell are these screws so rusty? They're in the interior of the car. What the heck? You just got to remove this little plastic trim bit, and there's a screw behind there, so just carefully get in there and just pop it off. Oh, that came out easy. And there you go. And then just unhook it from the door. Yeah, I think that's it, so just sort of try and pry it and then pop it out. But I couldn't get this bit off, so I think that just comes out with the door, but hopefully it won't fall off. I haven't done the rear doors before. I think I do have to take this one off. Let's see. It's not coming off at the moment. Yep, sure do. So, don't want to lose any bits, so put them somewhere so we won't lose them. This bit pops out. And yeah, that'll help get the door. Actually, I think I even need to take this one out. Now I've loosened it, that's even looser. So yeah, you got to take all the screws out. I didn't think so, because I've only done the front, so anyway. There you go. Oh, something just fell out the bottom of the door. Oh, that's pretty cool. 18th of the 7th, 96, I guess. A few little tags. That's funny. Finally, everything's unscrewed now. This is the hard part. You sort of got to pull it out. So that's right now. It's come off. It's just tucked in there. So you sort of got to like bang it up and get it out of the groove. That's why I sort of want to take that off first. But yeah, so just a little technique. She's stuck. Come on. Okay, I managed to get that bit out. That popped out, so that's good. Now it should be right. Just the challenge is to do it without breaking anything. These old things. Come on. This is a massive fail. I don't know why this will not come off. I'm pulling up. It's like it's glued on or something. Someone, this might be it for the video. I don't know. Can someone tell me how the hell do I get this thing off? In cars. Ugh. Stupid cars. Who would work on their own cars? Stupid things. I wonder what the paintless dent repair guys do. They probably sort of get a tool in behind here. Instead of taking all the trim off and wasting all that time, tool in behind here and then sort of levering it out and pushing something in there. I think that's what they do. Sorry, my car's pretty dirty today. It's disgusting. But yeah, that's probably what they do. I don't know. I don't think I have the right tool for that, but that'd probably be the easiest way. Wedge something in there and sort of pop it out, pop the dent out, and then just, if you pop it out too far, just hammer it, you know, lightly back in again and just keep doing it that way. I don't know. I'm not sure what they do. Yeah, can someone help? How do I pop this off? It's stuck in there so well. It's like it's glued on, or like there's something extra I need to take off, but there's nothing I can find. I don't know if they take these things off or something. Nah, I don't know. Comment below what you think. Surely someone watching this video has taken the rear door cards off before. Maybe just because it hasn't never been done. The fronts, I think, both been done, so they were sort of like loosened up. So maybe that's why they were easy. These ones, I guess, because they're manual windows, I guess they've never been done, especially because those things fell at the bottom. So I'm guessing no one's ever opened this up. Probably haven't in my time. And I bought the car when I was 6 years old, so I doubt if this door card's ever been off. I'm sure it hasn't. So it's probably just somewhat glued on, or just over years and years of being in the sun and whatever. It's just literally glued itself to the door frame. So I don't know. Surely someone has a trick. Let me know in the comments below. This might be it for the video. I don't know. We'll see. Googled it, watched some YouTube videos. By the looks of it, it is sort of clipped in. I do remember the front having some clips. They must be just so bloody tight. I just can't get it off. So I don't know if there's a trick getting a screwdriver, like, I don't know. Can you get like a screwdriver up there and sort of pop the clips and bend them a bit so it comes out? So yeah, anyway, who knows? I'll have another crack at it sometime when I have more time. Crazy how clean the car looks. Like, it looks like it's fully been polished and washed. Till you get it in the right light, like there, and it's filthy. That's nuts. Oh, it's clean again. That's why you don't believe everything you see on camera. Imagine you've actually put a filter on this as well.